Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how I paid a Fiverr logo designer for build my logo for my business branding. So this is Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace. There are so many professional and very cheapest and reasonable logo designer for build your logo. You can design your logo only $5, $10, $20, any type of cheapest logo designer on there. So you can hire anyone for build design your logo and any types of you can work with them. I paid my Fiverr logo. I paid my logo from there. There are so many expert for there are so many experts for build your logo. So I hope show you how many designer on there, how they can help you, how many reviews they have. So everything I will discuss about you, and you can do very cheapest and reasonable price for design your logo. I paid a logo designer only $5. He 3 order already in queue and 20 review he have. He design a logo and everything for he take only $5. He have portfolio. You can see there are so many already logo there he have. So I hope you understand his basic price only $5 and a standard price $10 and premium price $25. So another one, his basic price $20. He already 40 order in queue, 40 order running, 40 order running and 378 review, 4.8 rating. Another one, his basic price only $50, 198 review and 17 order in queue, 70 order already running. So there are so many very professional. You can hire anyone for your budget, so they can help you. For his basic price only $15, one logo and 4 order already running and 680 review. So I hope you understand. I paid the Fiverr logo designer for design my logo. I'm very satisfied. So you can build your logo and you can hire anyone. There are so many experts. I will add this link on my description below. You can contact with anyone before placing order. You can discuss about your business, your branding color, everything. They will help you how they can help you everything. So I hope you understand. I will add this link on my description below. You can contact with them, and this video will help you. Please like, share and subscribe our video. So thank you so much.